Atorcom. Putting control of secure access in your hands. How to use the Atorcom app on your mobile phone. Go to your home page on your mobile phone and tap on the Atorcom app icon. If you have not logged in, type in your email address and password, then tap Login. The main page of the Atorcom app will appear. Tap on the appropriate gate number for your condo development. To answer a notification from a visitor using the Atorcom system, the visitor or delivery person will tap in your block and unit number as appropriate. When a delivery person or visitor calls your apartment, a notification will appear on your mobile phone. Tap on your notification. You will be automatically transferred to the intercom page in the app. The Atorcom gateway will automatically transmit the photo taken of your visitor to your mobile phone so you can see who is calling you. You may then choose to do the following. Tap Dismiss. The gate will not open for the visitor and you will not be able to speak to the visitor. Tap Open Door. The gate will open for your visitor, but you will not be able to speak to the visitor. Tap Intercom. You will be taken to the next page so that you may speak to your visitor at the condo gates. If you tap on Intercom, you will be brought to this video page. Tap on Video icon. Depending on the speed of your data Wi-Fi connection, you may need to tap a few times to establish the connection. You will now be able to see and speak to the visitor on your mobile phone, anytime, anywhere, so long as you have mobile data or Wi-Fi access. For security purposes, at the Atorcom gateway, your visitor will not be able to see you. When you've finished your conversation, tap the red Terminate Call icon to terminate the call. You will return to the main Atorcom app page. Please tap on the appropriate gate icon to let the visitor into your condo development. We hope you find the Atorcom app easy to use. If you have any questions, you may call us on +65 9103 8889 or send an email to support@atorcus.com. Thank you.